Hey there, history buffs. Welcome back to our Today in History series. Today, we're diving into the events that occurred on July 18th throughout history. On this day in 1917, the first of the Balfour Declaration's 2 articles was issued, officially supporting the establishment of a Jewish national home in Palestine. In 1921, the League of Nations, the forerunner to the United Nations, was established. And in 1947, the United Nations General Assembly voted to partition Palestine into 2 states. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating history lessons. Until next time, stay curious.
Okay, let's go.